Bulacan, picked up by Valenzuela in the starting lineup against the defending champions, Pampanga. Ganda ng matchup na to.
Ganda ng matchup na yan.
Titibay ng mga katawan. Serrano though. That won't drop. Justin Baltasar. Alcoriza.
Same play.
Serrano drives. Runner is good. Ligas completes the steal. Gets it to Payawal. CJ. Layup is good. May kasama pang foul. The inbound. They find Alcoriza. Pulls the trigger. That's good. Montuano up against Justin Baltasar. Out to Encho. Serrano for three.
Points. 4 minutes gone already in the clock.
Garcia. MJ umatake. The hang time move. The handoff to Alcoriza. Alcoriza for three. Yes!
And ito, good ni Alcoriza.
Encho. Nakawala. Encho. Wala. Igilos is there. If De Chavez can get going here. Mashon with a jumper. It's good.
Yeah, those yung mga 10 to 15 footer jump. Liti ko sa magfo-fall yung bola.
They get everything their way. Archie Concepcion will lay it in for two. Paulo Jobalde against Miggy Cortesa. Paulo will fire a three. Yes, sir.
Yeah, they need more of those.
Jobalde, the kick out to De Chavez. Yes.
Your three-pointers, yan, magkaka-chance ka against the Giant Lanterns.
Concepcion.
Nagkakaramdam sila ng urgency. Ang bilis nila ibalik si Justin Baltasar.
It will take some time for them to get over that. Racing for three. An offense.
You know what? Yung ano yung nag-fuel doon sa three-pointer ni Kurt Rayson? That chase down block.
Viernes. Viernes will drive. Viernes the off-balance shot. Flips it up and in.
Saan kaya nag-warm up si Jeff?
Sabi, pwedeng-pwede. Jaymo Igilos, apat lang yung umupensa doon. Baltasar. Wala pa rin. Balti again. You know, Balti can get a bit more leeway defensively as San Fernando. Quick spin. Serrano. No go. All alone for the stick back. Of Mexico Athletic Apparel and Makimura Ramen Bar. So maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa Giant Lanterns and Renz Alcoriza dito sa kanilang main men. 38-23. May 8 puntos na siya.
And still continues to be hot. Ito nga si Alcoriza. You know, I like CJ Payawal. Puntos nila in terms of points in the paint. They're 20, only 6 para dito sa Valenzuela. Now 22.
Alcoriza got the step. Easy two. A rare one. Jobalde for three. Yes.
The second three-pointer.
Arminion. The jumper is good.
Again, the patience of Arminion in that.
Okay, Payawal thought about it. CJ against Archie Concepcion. CJ attacks and puts it in. That's a tough finish. Lervin Flores providing the pick. Lervin drives left. Lervin, yes.
Patiently waiting for the right time for things to open up.
Montuano off the glass and in.
A great trail there by Mark Montuano.
Baltasar inside. Balti too strong. si Concepcion. Here's
Oo.
Baltasar, binabatayan ni Montuano. There's a double team. What can you do? It's Montuano. Concepcion will drive. Tough finish, no problem.
Unforced turnovers.
Rayson drops it off to Balti. Rayson finds a way through. Kurt Rayson spreading the word of basketball all over the country.
Especially na bakasyon halos lahat ng mga bata eh.
Oh, just one shot para dito sa Valenzuela.
Oo, and that's been the story. Like
Early work for the whole game, by the way. Rayson drives. Nice pass. Santos. Hubalde fires and hits the three. 11 points para kay Paulo Hubalde natin eh. With Pampanga, 4-5 players can have an off night and they would win.
yeah,
That's
totoo
how
yan.
good they are. Taken away. Nice pass by Awal for two. Balti. The kick out to Viernes. Three. Yes. Here. De Chavez. Wala. Mashon inside. Scores. Gozum fires. Corner three. Wala. Viernes all alone for the stick back.
Offensive rebound, put back.
Payawal. That's a tough one, and he puts it in for two. Against Montuano. The kick out. The extra pass. Viernes. That's good.
A great recognition there by Martin Gozum.
Shot clock down to two. Balti. No.
Good pass.
Lervin. Yes. CJ Payawal. Montuano puts it in for two. Pisa is in as well. Jeff Viernes. Three, yes.
It's good. I'm just gonna play. Balik dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, Brandon Ramirez.
Oo.
Kurt Rayson nails the three.
Output.
Oo.
Against Davao, they limit Davao to just 47 points. That basketball.
Serrano gets the three to drop. De Chavez. Robalde. Wala.
Ayaw pa rin.
And Kurt Rayson. It's Pampanga